Today we're going to learn how to add products with variations to WooCommerce, and we're also going to add a color swatch, which allows the visitor or the customer to select by color for checkout. Out of the box, WooCommerce comes out of the box with the ability to choose by color, but this is just a better way, I think, of doing it. You do need the Color Swatch plugin for WooCommerce to do this. It's $10 at pluginforge.com. I'll leave you the link below in the description. But we will show you what it will do out of the box, and then we will add the Color Swatch and show you the difference. So I hope you enjoy this. The Color Swatch is probably one of my favorite plugins there is for WooCommerce. But first thing we want to do, we want to go add a product. And I've already got my product information here. It's Kong Dog Collars. There we go. And I'm going to put this in the main description area. And we're going to put this part here in the short description area. And we'll go ahead and set it to a category. This is on my development server, by the way, and I'm just using the 2015 theme that shipped with WordPress with a few CSS tweaks to it that I added to my child style CSS. We're going to set a featured image. I've already uploaded my images. We're going to set that one. These right here will be the variations. So we got and now we're going to go to product data, and we're going to add a variable product. Inventory, well, we'll control stock management. We'll say there's 12 of these in stock. Shipping, we're just going to leave that as is. We're not going to get into the shipping part. Let's go ahead and save this because I forgot we need to set up a global variable, or a global attribute, I should say. It's the proper term here, of color, because we're going to be able to select products by colors. You can put weight, dimensions, whatever, but I'm going to put color for what we're going to use for this video. And that's going to be a global attribute or a global variable for our products. And now let's go back to products. Oh, we're already there. Okay. And I'm going to refresh that so it grabs that attribute and adds it to the product system here. And now, let me see, we already got variable products. You can add a SKU if you want. I'm not going to. We got the inventory, shipping, we're not going to worry about. Link products, we're not going to worry about. Attributes, alright. Let's add color. And we're going to use this for variations. So we want to make sure that's checked. And let's add a new color. Let's see what colors I got here. I got red, purple, lime, and blue, right? So we're going to go with red. Click on add new. Okay. Purple. Lime. And blue. Alright, now we want to save those attributes. Let's go into variations. And we're just going to click link all variations so it sets it up real fast for us. Alright, make sure to give your variation a price. So these are all $12.50 each. So just copy and paste that into each field. Alright, now let's add the variation images. If you see this, if you scroll, go to your left a little bit, hover there, you will see that pop up. That's allowing you to add an image variation. This particular one's blue, so we're going to grab that one. And lime. And whoops, I forgot what color that was. Purple. That was right. Purple. And red. Okay, everything we've done so far, we've done with what ships with WooCommerce out of the box. So let's take a double check everything. Okay, I believe it's right. Let's go ahead and publish. And let's view the product. And we'll see our product set up. Again, I could tweak all this stuff, but I'm not going to bother. This is just a dev site. And you notice we have the option box here to drop down. We could select blue, and it's going to show the blue one. We could clear that selection and select purple. Of course, we could clear that selection, but I think a better way is to use a color swatch. It's faster. You don't have to clear options. So if you've installed the color swatch, you have a new tab here called swatches in your product setup area. So under swatches, we're going to click on that, and we're going to click on color and custom colors and images and layout. I'm going to show label above. We'll leave swatch image size as is. We'll click on blue here, and I've got my image colors already set up, so let's grab those colors. It uses hexadecimal values, so that's for the blue. And we'll close that one, and we'll go to the lime. And we'll close that one. We'll go to purple. And we'll grab that real quick. Put it there. And of course red. Let's grab our red one. And now let's save. Let's refresh our page. And look, we can now select by using this, our color swatch. Now, you don't have to use just colors on the color swatch. It also handles images. I'm just going to show you quickly where that's at. If you wanted to use an image instead, you could click on that and just use this drop down menu. You would add upload image. Okay, your media library. Click on show whatever image you want to use, and you come down here, pick the size you want to put in there, but it's going to shrink it up no matter what. But I will go with the thumbnail for this, and then insert into post. And that's how you'd use an image instead of a color swatch. And that's all there is to adding a product with a variable. Of course, you can set up attributes for weight, dimensions, style. And if you only have just a few colors or a few styles or a few weights, you could actually add those along with the initial global variable, so you can have them to select from as well. But most stores, you need to add that extra information on each product because you have a whole lot of different colors and styles and weights and dimensions. So that's all there is to it. Visit pluginforge.com for really great deals on plugins for WooCommerce and WordPress and premium themes. They're all premium. SkeeterZ71.com for free video tutorials on web and graphic design. How about leaving me a like, a comment, or a share, or any of the above? And you have a good day.